Dear students of Standard 7, in Geography you are learning about industries. Today you are going to learn Chapter 5, Industries, Part 4. In this Part 4, you are going to learn about three industries: information technology, sugar industry and shipbuilding industry. Information technology. It is also known as IT industry. What is it? It refers to the science which is used to get information, the management of information. So, IT industries are used or that helps to process, protect, secure, store, receive and retrieve information. Always to remember, it helps us to process, protect, secure, store, receive and retrieve information, to store and to transfer it, to give it again. It is also very important because it includes computer, hardware, software, electronics, internet, telecom, engineering and e-commerce. So, all these related to all these work is related to IT industries. So, nowadays it has been changed. The world is completely changed due to all these IT industries, which includes all these hardware, software or electronics, internet, e-commerce and engineering. Every work is done with the help of internet. Business or marketing or any money transfer can be done with the help of all this internet. So, everywhere it has been changed. The world is being changed due to these IT industries. So, it is known as the global industries. Whole world is interconnected with each other. Every part of the world is connected due to the internet and this due to the improvement and development of IT industries. All over the world it is already developed, and in North America, Silicon Valley, which is located in California, is known for its largest hub of IT industries. In our country, Bangalore is the important hub known for its IT industries, and therefore Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Second is the sugar industry. Sugar is an important part of our diet. Because of its sweetness, it is utilized for various purposes, to prepare delicious sweet dishes and for all purposes, to prepare favorable drink like tea and coffee. So like this, sugar industries are also developed all over the world. The main raw materials used in sugar industries are sugar cane and sugar beet. Sugar cane is grown in the tropical countries like in our country, Indonesia or Philippines, or also they are found in Brazil, and they are processed and manufacture sugar. Sugar beet is also used to manufacture sugar in the temperate countries. Mainly USA and European countries grow sugar beet, and it is largely utilized to manufacture sugar. And all over the world, if we say, India ranks second after Brazil. Brazil is the largest producer of sugar in the world. And there are some other countries like just now I have mentioned Philippines, Colombo, this Indonesia and some parts of Africa. They are also major producers of sugar. And there are some byproducts which are also produced while processing of sugar, and they come from the sugar industries. They are bagasse, molasses, pressed mud, boiler ash and filter mud or ethanol. All these are the byproducts. Like bagasse is utilized to make cardboard, or it is also used to feed cattle. In the village area, it is used to as a fuel to cook food, because it is the fiber which is left after the extraction of sugar juice. Molasses, liquid syrup, and that is used to process alcohol or rum. Pressed mud, that is the impurities left at the bottom of the container, that is used to manufacture shoe polish or lipsticks or wax. So like this, these byproducts are also being utilized to produce some other products. And if we see, in our country, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra are the major producers of sugar. In north, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. So this is the area which is the main area of black soil, and therefore this is a major producer of sugarcane. Also there are many sugar mills located in Maharashtra. Maharashtra has become a major producer of sugar. Earlier, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar were the major producers of sugar. Nowadays, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, these are the main producers of sugar in India. The next important industry is shipbuilding industry. From ancient period, shipbuilding is an important industry, because travelling had been taken place for discoveries of many countries by the ship, and therefore ship or journey or travelling by the ship or waterways has become an important means of transport, and that has developed the shipbuilding industries. So shipbuilding industries are developed just after Second World War, and now all over the world varieties of ship, different designs with modern machineries, they are manufactured. And the main producers in the world are China, South Korea and Japan. They are the leading producers of ship, varieties of ship, and large shipbuilding industries are located here. There are other centers also all over the world, but in India there are 4 important shipbuilding industries located at Mumbai, Kochi, Visakhapatnam and Kolkata. So these shipbuilding industries are manufacturing many varieties of ship, and that is utilized for many purposes, and they are very important. So do remember IT industries, sugar industries and shipbuilding industries. Thank you.